Let me show you what's in the Joyful Christmas collection. Now we have Joyful Christmas 12 by 12 pattern cardstock, matching 6 by 6 pattern cardstock, and something new with our die cuts. So let me get into this and show you what is inside. Now, as I said, there are 12 by 12. They're double-sided, and you're going to get 2 each of the ones I'm going to show you. And so there you go. We've got the plaids on an angle. We've got snowflakes swirling around. And on the back side, we have a different kind of plaid. So the same colors. Same thing with the green. You can see some snowflakes as well as trees in the background. On the back, you have that plaid. This has got some blue snowflakes around the edge, very pretty. And on the back, we've gone with the blue. Now we have a tan, we've got some dots along there, and on the back side, the tan and white. Then we get into kind of a brownish gold, and you can see it's kind of inked around the edges, already done for you. And on the back side, we've got that same brown going on. Now the black doesn't have any swirls, so that's going to be all seasons, and we have it in the same plaid. Now, we did not do a solid cardstock to match because we have just come out with the Poinsettia Passion cardstock, and this has got your reds, your greens, and your browns, and your blacks, so that's going to coordinate perfectly. Now, what can you do with this? Well, as you know, you can always do a 12 by 12 paper. And being hot off the press, we're going to show you that example on the back of the insert that's in the package with a page and a card. But I'll show those to you right now. And you can see how this just is going to work with any winter season, anytime it's snowing, and that's going to be well done. And I love how the plaid was used, the black with the red, just does really nicely. We'll get into those tags in just a moment. And this is our cutting die with the 3 borders cutting die, very effective. And what can you do with the 12 by 12 papers? Well, let me show you a cute little card, and it's making great use of those 2 patterns, one on one side, one on the other, and again, the die cuts that I'm going to show you in a minute. And this just opens up like so. A little bit of our fancy borders or thin line borders in the primary colors going on with it. Now, we also have the 6 by 6, and let me bring that in. And here we go. It's the same patterns. And again, you're going to get a total of, in this, 24, because you're going to get 4 of each one. So let me just walk you through them. There's the red. You see the back side, the green, the red with the blue, and the tan, and the brown, and the black. There you go. Again, as always, we have ideas on the back, but let me show you a close-up. So here is the 6 by 6, and very fun. You can use those patterns in many different ways. Again, those same fancy borders was used here, and our Christmas greetings, dazzles, and that little tag placed there. And we have another one here, again, using the paper so effectively. And another with the tan and the brown combination, just working really well. Now, the third element is the cutouts, or the tags, excuse me, the die cut tags. There you go. We'll back up just a smidge so you can see. Now, this is quite a bonus collection. So there's going to be 4 sheets that are die cut and 2 sheets that are cut out. So there is over 100 pieces in this package. So let me show you the die cuts. And we've got these sweet Christmas birds just doing so many things, and they work so nicely, as you have seen. In fact, let me bring this little guy in again so you can see there's one. All of these are done in tags, but you can use them, you can just cover up that hole if you want to. So all of those 9, and we're going to go to another sheet. These are all the cute little snowmen, and you saw those on the page right there. So just really a very cute look. Some are matted, some are left plain. You can use them as you wish. Now this one has these moose all over, and again you can see the backgrounds are going to coordinate perfectly, and that's going to work just so well. In fact, here is one of them on this card, so you can see that going on. Again, spotlighting the dazzles as accents too, so very nice to play together. And then there is another sheet of die cuts, and these are these cute little bunnies all done in Christmas splendor, and again, some are matted, some are left, so you can use them as you wish. So that is the total of 49 die cuts. Then we have these sheets of Advent calendar cutouts. So you're going to have all 25 going from December 1 to December 25. And then also we've got it in a smaller version, and then just some extra elements too. So fun to use on a scrapbook page, on your cards. Very fun way to celebrate the season. And there are a total of 53 of the cutouts, and they're easy to cut out because they're just straight lines. And as I said, there are 49 of the die cuts. Now, just as we were going to press with our Joyful Christmas, one of our favorites, the Take Your Time, also took those fun little moose and did them in their 3D toppers. So that's something else. Now, in this package, you're going to get 10 little packages, as they always do. And then each of these packages is going to have 3 layers. So let me scoot them over. So just like this. So there is the finished one, and there is a partial, so you can foam tape it on top. And then there is another piece that you can foam tape on top too. So it's going to give you some dimension. There's also some glitter glue attached to the artwork, and that just is going to add more glitter. So as I said, more shine and glitter. So as I said, there are 10 of them. You can see them right here, and they coordinate perfectly with the Joyful Christmas celebration, with the 6x6 Joyful Christmas, the 12x12 Joyful Christmas, all of those wonderful die cuts and cutouts that complement. And then again, we have the Poinsettia Passion cardstock, and that's going to take you through the season quite perfectly. I hope you do have a joyful Christmas from us here at paperwishes.com.